Kangna Ranaut has been the controversy queen of Bollywood. The actor is known to have strong and bold opinions on issues and also for her rivalries within Bollywood. She has already blamed a number of stars and said that she had been victimized by them. To name a few: Aditya Pancholi, Mahesh Bhatt, Pooja Bhatt, Karan Johar, Hrithik Roshan, Sonam Kapoor, Farah Khan, and many others in Bollywood. In her attacks, Kangna targeted the star kids and bigwigs of the industry over the nepotism debate after Sushant's death. She openly criticized Amitabh Bachchan for being selective of expression. The latest controversy Kangna is seeing is her tiff with Shiv Sena after leader Sanjay Raut reacted over her comparison of Mumbai with POK. The actor has made Twitter her latest war zone with aggressive reactions against Maharashtra government. After the notices and action by BMC on her properties in Mumbai, Kangna returned to Mumbai from her hometown Manali in Himachal Pradesh, where she was putting up since the pandemic hit the country. Meanwhile, Kangna has also received Y+ security after she got threats over Twitter. There are speculations that Kangna and the rest of the family are all set to join BJP. The buzz got stronger after a video emerged of Kangna's mother Asha, a former Sanskrit teacher, thanking Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah for standing by her family despite knowing we supported the Congress.
अपने गृह मंत्री अमित शाह का मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ। उन्होंने, हालांकि हम उस पार्टी से जुड़ित भी नहीं है, हम कांग्रेसी थे, है ना, शुरू से हम कांग्रेसी थे। हमारे जो ग्रैंडफादर थे इन लॉ वो भी कांग्रेसी थे। शुरुआत उन्होंने कांग्रेस की थी, लेकिन फिर भी हमें वहाँ से सपोर्ट मिली है। उनको सबको पता है कि हम शुरू से ही कांग्रेसी थे, लेकिन फिर भी हमें सपोर्ट मिली किसकी? अमित शाह जी की, जिन्होंने मेरी बेटी को सिक्योरिटी दी। और मोदी जी का मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ, है जिन्हें कि मेरी बेटी, देखो आज वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, अगर मेरी बेटी को सिक्योरिटी नहीं होती तो उसके साथ क्या नहीं होता।
Kangna's late grandfather, Sarju Ram, was a Congress MLA from the erstwhile Gopalpur constituency of Mandi district. Bollywood has always enjoyed the love of fans not only in India but across the globe. The actors are loved, revered and followed by millions. This love often helps actors to gain political avatars. Many times it seems that controversy is the seed to political interest of these actors. The actors have opened their space beyond art and visually getting indulged in all the other issues. While there is no official confirmation yet, sources said BJP's Himachal unit has already indicated its eagerness to lay the red carpet for the Ranauts. Asha said her family was overwhelmed by the support her daughter had been getting from the BJP and the whole nation for standing up to the Shiv Sena. At last count, Kangna's mother Asha had just over 18,000 followers, of which around 10,000 were added in the last 5 days.